Hey guys, Korey here with JagerWerks. Today I want to talk about a couple of belt setups. I get asked every day what I'm carrying, how I'm carrying, what I do on the range, what I do for EDC, just kind of options because there's a lot out there. I have three belt setups. I have kind of a normal concealed carry that I use. I have like a modified, expandable, concealed range situation, and then I have a complete range belt, and I'll go through kind of my three setups. So pretty much every day, no matter what I'm doing, I am using the Agonic everyday belt. It's basically this like compartmentalized nylon around the entire thing. A hook so you can kind of get it exactly how you want it to fit. You can cut it to length, you can leave it long. It also has a placard. I don't use the placard every time I wear it, but if I'm gonna kind of load down my belt, then I will. I'm running a T-Rex arms sidecar. Right now this is just a 17 Gen 5 that I'm playing with the Radian Ramjet. Our bros with our MOS plate on the MOS Plus, X300. Spare mag, always with a +5 from the old JagerWerks +5 there. And this is kind of more or less what I wear year round. I've been carrying a USP compact in an A&R holster, but always appendix and always with this belt. Next is a concept that my buddy Chris was doing, and I kind of wanted to copy it. So this is a Core Essentials belt. These are nice because they have like this ratchet system. They're really rigid, and they're kind of just like a little bit extra. I run the T-Rex Ironside with their magazine holders. This is like an outside the waistband concealed carry. I can expand it with rifle mag. This is a Glock magazine carrier. Right now I have a VP9 in it, but I also have a Glock 34 holster. This is my VP9 with JagerWerks top serrations. Our RMR cut using a RMR to acro plate right now. Pretty cool gun, just a little bit different. Those run the same mags as my USP compact, so it's kind of a nice platform to also have. But what Chris would do is he puts this belt on a set of pants, fully loaded out with, you know, a little med kit and whatever carriers he wants with a holster, and you can just slide the whole deal on and wear it, and it's ready to go as like a under a jacket, cold weather, kind of complete concealed carry kit. Finally, I have my range belt. This is an old GBRS assaulter belt. These are made well. I like that the hook is the inner belt and the loop is the actual battle belt. I run STAC Kiwi carriers. This 45-degree angle one comes on and off depending on what I'm trying to do. These mag carriers are good for my Glock mags, but also my Noveske Colt mags. This is a barrel and hatchet Sharpie holder. I just really like that. I'm on the range a lot, so it's super helpful. T-Rex arms, Med 1, just a simple IFAK for, God forbid, something happened to me on a range. There's medical equipment to help me out. This is the QLS Safari Land 6000 series setup. I have a drop 6 kind of pad in here. It helps kind of stop getting a hot spot from the holster, which is nice. I'm a pretty skinny dude, so when I have this kind of really tight on my belt and I'm, you know, shooting a whole day of content or being on the range for a class or something, it just helps. I like it. This is my Landers Weapon Systems frame with, currently I have a 17 Gen 4 with a bearded gunner, our MOS Plus running the acro for this PB3. This is our integrated rear sight, X300V, my Apex tactical trigger that I like, SLR magwell. I'll throw my 34 upper on here if I want to shoot my 34, but it's just nice to have a couple of uppers for a good pistol. Nothing else too crazy. Again, I'm usually just on the range for either a class or training with my friends or shooting content. So your battle belt, there's a lot of different manufacturers making similar ones to this, or you know, much thicker ones with like armor in them, things like that. It's just a matter of what you're comfortable with. I started on like a simple Blade Tech competition style holster with some Blade Tech carriers. Those are nice because they're all pretty good. The tech locks are nice, really configurable, rigid, and they're affordable. long-winded, but hopefully that can help you out. If you have any questions about this stuff, if you're trying to figure out whether or not you should carry appendix or 3 o'clock or whatever, I'm happy to kind of work with you a little bit. I think having full control over my carry is kind of priority to comfort. I can conceal on my frame. I'm 6'9", about 200 pounds. I can carry a full-size Glock 34 in a sidecar with a mag, and the way I wear like my hoodies and stuff, I can get away with it. Not everybody can do that, I understand, but I like to have full control over my weapon system if I'm carrying it around, especially in public. So that's kind of why I do that. Hopefully this was insightful for you. If it wasn't, go ahead and tell me why not, and I guess I'll catch you in the next one.